Caledon East is a smaller community of approximately 5,000. Explore this fantastic community by visiting the gourmet food shops. Gourmandissimo and Howard the Butcher never disappoint. Park at a town facility to cycle, ride, ski, or walk the Caledon Trailway. Just east of Airport Road, on the trail you'll find the Trans-Canada Trail Pavilion, a developing arboretum, extensive gardens, and Caledon's Walk of Fame. Caledon East is a charming community that is one of the safest in the whole of the GTA. It boasts gorgeous natural features and community events. The only thing that would make this lifestyle any better is to own a home just like 17 Borland. Welcome to 17 Borland, a beautiful bungalow in Caledon East. This Belmont model features over 4,400 square feet of living space. Borland is a spacious, open-concept bungalow with 3+2 bedrooms and 3 full baths. Custom bar, slate pool table, and media room make this basement one to envy. The backyard backs onto a vacant ravine lot with quiet serenity. This home is one of a kind and has never been offered for sale before. Why not be the first ones to make this paradise your own? Contact us today to get your own private viewing.